name's Mick, and welcome to my shtick. I have an unboxing today, believe it or not. First, though, I did want to apologize. This video was supposed to have been up a half hour ago. I've been working on my hair, so I need to make sure I was looking good for this.
Yeah,
What I have here is a box. What's in the box, you ask? Well, it's an anniversary gift from my lovely wife. We've been together now, just celebrated 25 years. So
been together longer, but married the second time for 25 years.
We have. That's a story for another day. She would not let me pre-open this at all, so I apologize, but this is going to be a challenge to open because it is extremely taped up. So bear with me, as this will probably take a little while. Try not to skewer myself here.
And I'm also trying not to show your address.
Right?
See, it's fun doing these on tape, isn't it?
It is. It actually is.
Oh, that's interesting. Taping the... You can't see what he's doing.
Nope.
Almost cut himself, but he didn't.
Almost.
Here we go. Let's watch again. Now that the address isn't showing.
Right?
Look at that. He is just going to take this box apart. There's, you know, who needs the flaps? You know, he's just
Right.
going to...
Some assembly required. This is some deconstruction required. Clearly. Clearly.
See, he can just talk.
That's about all I can do, actually. It's talk and make comments.
He's really good at that. Like, trying to show what he's doing here without showing his address. Just destroying another box that luckily we don't keep.
Right, exactly.
This is a man opening a box versus a woman.
Right.
Flaps, they're suggestions. That's not for sure where you have to open the box from.
Right, it's like Christmas. Okay. Oh. All right. Okay. So, I have kind of a, like she has bag addictions. I have kind of a, I like watches, but not quite to the level that she's at.
It's close.
It's getting there, unfortunately. So what we have here is a Tag Heuer watch. As you can see there, it's in quite the box. So we're going to open it up and, like they say in Blue's Clues, see what's inside. And it's, oh goody, another box. And it's a box within a box within another box. So let's see what this is. This is, oh, that's nice. It says, happy 25 years, all my love, James, you know, from James Jam. So yeah, very nice. And it looks like a certificate of authenticity and then a certificate of participation. So we'll get a ribbon. So awesome. All right. So we'll put that away.
Yeah, this is, as you saw, a true unboxing. He's never even seen a Tag Heuer watch before.
In person.
In person.
Nope. All right.
Yeah, the box, when we found out it was coming, it was 7 pounds.
Like, what the heck? There's just all kinds of stuff here. All right. So we're going to set that down. Set that right there. And we'll get to the most important part here. The actual watch itself. Oh, wow. That is sharp.
Up until this time, what was your most expensive watch?
Definitely under $1,000, probably $600 or $700, I would think. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. And there she is in all her glory. Tag Heuer Aquaracer 200. She is a beaut. Unfortunately, I don't have the largest wrists in the world, so I don't think it's going to be able to fit, but I will have to get it sized. But wow, she is pretty. Gotta do the glasses thing so we can get even closer. Wow, that is sharp. That's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
So it is stainless steel, and it's a weighty watch, which I like. Very, very sharp. And let's see here. I promise when we announce the names of the winners for my wife's contest, it'll go a little quicker, a little smoother. But let's see here. See what she looks like on. And not too bad, a little big. But wow.
Just showing
Did
pull the camera
Did
away.
I pull it away? It's
Yeah.
my watch. I want to see my watch.
There you go. It's sharp.
Yep. That is awesome. Beautiful. Get a couple links taken out and she'll be good to go.
Awesome.
So 2 unveilings today. One for me and one for my awesome watch from my awesome wife. So this is me, and this is, once again, this is for the 2 people out there, so I can say fans, so there's plural. Actually 2 people that my wife told me were commenting that I'd be on here, so.
There was more than 2.
Well, it's fans, so. This
Yeah.
is for all my fans out there. I just wanted to say thank you to you for following my wife on her channel. She gets a kick out of interacting with every one of you and responding to your questions, your comments, and your concerns. And we both get a kick out of doing this. So I wanted to say thank you, and thanks to my wife, and just say howdy, and have a good day.